Okay guys, so this is the Samsung S20 FE 5G version. So today I'm going to unbox this phone that I just received from Amazon delivery. Although it is a 2 years old device, but I order still this device for a very good reason. First of all, even though it is 2 years old, but it has a lot of flagship features, and it has also SD card slots that I really wanted. So this is a S20 5G edition, and this phone I saw a lot of reviews, which is really good. And even if it is 2 years old, but it is still really good. And yeah, so I just got a really good deal in Amazon, like more than 60%. Plus, the actual price is still like 600 quid, and I brought it like less than 300, so it was a huge deal in Amazon, and I was super excited about it. So without further talking, I'm going to open the box. Although I don't really do any kind of tech videos or any kind of unboxing videos, but I can't really stop myself to do this one because I was super excited about this phone. So yeah, just to open it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so what do we have here? So okay. So I think this is the manual. So this is the erection pin, and then you have a warranty card. Okay. This is, I think, a quick start guide. Okay, that's all. Okay. So here is the phone, and oh wow, I also got a charger. So it is a 15-watt charger, I think. Yeah, it's a UK version. And then I don't know what is it. So yeah, so this is the phone. This is the first impression of my phone. I was watching the phone in the YouTube videos, and now I just got the phone. I'm really happy to see the phone. It's a cloud lavender version, although they have only this version in Amazon, which is under the sale, but I really love this color, so seems really nice. And okay, so they also gave USB-C cable here. Okay, and I don't know what is it. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is the phone. You have a charger, and you have a USB-C cable. So let's see the phone. Try to switch it on. Wow. So even though this phone is like 2 years old, but I think I still got an update for until next year. So I think I still got Android 13, but I don't know which version it is right now. Probably it should be Android 12. Okay. Okay. Okay, these are just the first installation of the phone. Okay guys, it just take a couple of minutes for me to set up the phone. Although I still need to do a lot of things. I need to transfer my all of my data from my old device to this new device, so I'm going to do that later. So I just finish and skip all those most of the things. But here is the first impression. Wow, look at that display. It got a super AMO LED display. So I just got the information. I was super excited about this phone. And also one of the best thing about this phone is the camera. It got a triple camera, which is 12 and 8 megapixel. The photos qualities are super good, although I didn't really test it. If you go to YouTube, you will find plenty of videos of this phone. The selfie camera is the really small hole punch cut. It's a 32 megapixel camera. It is a FE edition, and also you get a battery life like 4500, which is quite good. So I am really happy about this phone. So if you want to know about this phone, I think you will get a plenty of videos on YouTube, but it was just I was excited to buy this phone, that's why I just make this small video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this, and see you later.